Good morning, dear students. Welcome to your EVS class. I am your teacher Kavita Sharma. So, yesterday we were learning about first aid. So, what is first aid? First aid is the help given to injured person immediately after an injury occurs. That we have seen if small accident or a big accident occurs at that time if anyone is injured. So, we provide some help to that injured person is called first aid. Now while giving the first aid there are few steps which needs to be followed. So today we are going to look into this, that what are those steps we need to follow while giving the first aid. Now while giving first aid, very important is our first aid kit. It should be properly maintained and it should have a proper things in it which can help us to help the injured person. Now we are going to look into it, that what we should have in our first aid kit. So there are some basic medicines which we can give. Actually the first aid which we need, these first aid we need to maintain in our house also, because there could be a small illness which we have, so we can treat them. So while going to doctor it may take time, or with a normal sickness which we can treat at home also. So for that we need basic medicines, like your mother or father must be keeping crocin or any antacid or those medicines. Next, it should have an antiseptic solution. Antiseptic solution, Dettol or Savlon, that must be there. Next, bandage. If we get cut we need to use bandage, so that also we need. Next, cotton. If we have any wound, to clean that wound with the help of antiseptic solution we need cotton. Scissors to cut the bandage or a crepe bandage. Sticky tape, we can use these tapes to fix our bandage. Next, skin rash creams like Borolin, Soframycin, which we apply on our wounds whenever we get hurt. Next is thermometer. If we are not keeping well, if we have fever, so at least we can check the temperature with the help of thermometer. So these are the things your first aid kit must have. Next, always keep a first aid box handy. It means it should be in front of your vision, so whenever you need it you can take and you can grab that and you can treat the injured people, or you can provide the help to the injured people. So that is why you should keep it accurate and at proper place. Next, ensure that a crowd does not gather around the injured person. There are many a times accident happens and people do come and gather around that injured person, and that way that injured person is not getting enough air, or he or she may get panic also by looking at so many people. So we have to keep in mind that whoever is injured, the crowd should not gather around that person. Next, if injured person in his or her senses, try to make them sit or lie down and talk to them. Now if a person, whoever is injured, if he is in senses, that means if he is conscious, he has opened his eyes and he is moving, so in that case you have to talk to that person and you have to try to make them sit, or if they are very much uncomfortable in sitting you can make them lie down, but you have to keep on talking to them, so that way they does not get faint, so they are into their conscious. So you have to take care of this also. Next, there are chances where we see very big accidents occurs. In that case we have to call the help of the doctor, and either you can call any elder around you and you can ask them to take them to the medical emergency, and then later on the doctors can take care of it. So these are the things which we need to take care of while giving the first aid to any injured person. There are few more steps which we need to follow, that we are going to look into our next class. So let's see what we have learned today. Steps to be followed while giving the first aid Always keep a first aid box handy. It must contain the things like basic medicines, bandage, scissors, which we have seen already the whole list. Next, ensure that the crowd does not gather around the injured person. Next, if injured person in his or her senses, try to talk to them, make them sit or make them lie down. Next, call the doctor or take help from any adult. So your today's homework is, it's a very interesting homework. Your friend wants to make his or her personal first aid kit box. Now today you have seen that which are the things we should have in our first aid. So you have to suggest your friend that what he or she should put in his or her first aid box. So there are 6 things you have to suggest. You have to write these 6 things here. Write down today's date and complete this homework. We will be meeting in our next class. Till that time, take care of yourself. Thank you.